Hi, this is Tejasvi Krishna. I'm a student enrolled in BITS Pilani, currently in the second semester of the academic year 2023-2024. I'm here to deliver a demonstration of my assignment for cross-platform application development. The task assigned was to develop a quick task application. So this project aims to introduce students to Flutter and Back4App by introducing a basic management app with essential features like user authentication, task management, task status, and thread operation of the task and error handling of the same. So in this quick task app, our objective is to streamline task management for users. So here is a quick walkthrough of the workflow of Back4App. So firstly, we ensure to secure user authentication through Back4App. For that, first sign in to your Back4App. So here you can see that I am already signed in using my email ID, and also I have created a class named task in which the fields I have given as title in the string format, description of the task in the string format, and done, which means whether the task is completed or not in a boolean format, and due date in the date format. So additionally, Back4App has a class named user for the user account management. So all the registered users which I have previously created in this, don't have to do any changes to this class. We can keep as such, and it's all about the Back4App, and it is ready to use. Now moving on to the new Flutter project which I have created in the VS Code, and it is developed simple and minimalistic user interface. And the emulator which I have used here is the Pixel 3. Then I have connected this Flutter with the backend for Back4App in this main dot file, and using these three lines. These are the connection keys which I have provided in order to connect this Flutter app with the Back4App, and these got from the Back4App. I will show you there. So move to app settings. Here you can see security and key. From this, the application ID and client ID of this Back4App can be matched to the Flutter app which we have created. And then all these Flutter codes are published to the GitHub repo, and then the repo link is provided in the video description. So coming to the app workflow, here you can see the users can easily sign up or log in, ensuring the data is safe and accessible only to them. And all the registered users can be visible here. You can move to the database. Here you can see the all registered databases here. And so first we can try using email ID which is not in the database. So I'm just giving some dummy values to this. And when I try, we can ignore this as this button is overriding. So we can ignore that when we click on the tick button. And when we try to log in, it shows that invalid username and password. Using gmail.com also, it won't show as these email is not registered here. So we can try one more time. Still it will be showing invalid username and password. So first we can create an account. We have to choose username and email which is not in this list. So we can just go to the list quickly. It's all related to Tejasvi. So yeah, we can create a username cross platform. And email, some dummy email just to show the validation, and some dummy password. And when we try to register, it shows that the email address format is invalid. So when I try login using some email ID which is already registered also, it will throw some error. So we can try this page@gmail.com. Sorry. Page@com. Then also it will show error as it is already exists. So we can give some new one like platform@gmail.com, and we can give a good password. Then we can register with our app. So basically the success message will pop up, and when we click on OK, it will navigate to our home page of the Flutter. Here we can see a dummy list of tasks here. New registered user can be seen here also. Just we can refresh it. It will append to the upper part of the list. You can see. Yeah, you can see that our new registered user is there. Host platform. Now we can, as we dive into this task management app, we can see that in the home page, all the all the tasks is listed here. We can mark it as completed or not. We can delete each task. Also, we can filter it out whether the tasks are completed or not. Then also we can add a new item by clicking on this floating add icon. So as a first move, we can try adding a new task. So for that, we can go into task app. So here are the dummy tasks. Then when I try to create a task, we can create some task name, Flutter, and task description. We can give it as assignment and the due date. We can place our assignment submission date, and we can click on OK, and then we can add it. Now hopefully the task is added here. It will be added here also. We just need to refresh it. So yeah, the task is added. You can see that the title, assignment, description, close platform, and due date also. We can try deleting a task. Okay, we can try deleting this demo test. So when I click on the demo test, it shows the task, okay, and the task is gone from the list. You can check here also. When we refresh that, shows that the task is. Then we can try editing a task. We can try editing this new demo 3. This one, okay. We can edit its title as title. And also we can add a due date. So, okay. Then description, we can the description like this and click on the save. So hopefully it's added. Yeah, you can see 3 title, description, and the due date. Then once more we refresh it. So you can see that here also. Here, 3 title, description, and the due date is mentioned as follows. So basically, this is the project structure, and the developed Flutter code is crafting a sleek and minimalistic interface. Thus, the Back4App powers its backend, handles authentication and data storage seamlessly through these classes, so that we connect our Flutter frontend and the backend, enabling basic CRUD operation is also done in this app. So with this quick task app, task management becomes simple, efficient, and designed to help users stay organized and productive. So that's all. Thank you.